Good morning, very good morning. We'll see hand gestures, Hastamudraya. In yoga, it is a very simple technique and get many benefits with a simple technique which can be done anywhere with any time. eh? And those elements helps or these Hastamudraya or hand gesture help to maintain your body in a sound position, in a healthy manner, in a joyful manner. So there are five elements in the world. There is a earth, water, fire, then air element and the ether element. In the body also the same five elements are there. This shows, thumb shows fire, this is air, this is ether, this is earth element and this is the water element. Very simple. If any element combine or come in touch with the fire element, it increases. So when there is a deficiency of that element in the body, you can touch that element to the fire element, so that can increase and maintain the health. If that element is increasing in your body, you can reduce by keeping that element under the fire element. So that can give control. Very simple. When you are doing the hand gesture, two elements come together, all fingers should be straight. When you are sitting in the meditative position or during the pranayam, you can do these mudraya on empty stomach in the morning, but this can be done anytime in the morning, afternoon or evening, while you are walking during the morning walk, or just seeing or just having a talking with all your friends or any person, or we are standing in a waiting with the doctors, with a lawyer or anywhere you are in waiting, you can do this Hastamudraya with a good help. And if you do with the pranayam, the prana flow or vital force is maintained very nicely and increases the importance or the benefits of the Hastamudraya or hand gestures and pranayam. So one by one we will be seeing one mudra every day. The first mudra we will see today is a Dhyana Mudra. First finger at the tip of the thumb. This air element in touch with the thumb element. So air, our mind flows like air anywhere. So control that. To sharpen that, you are touching the air element with the fire element. It is called a Dhyana Mudra or a Jnana Mudra. Jnana Mudra in Sanskrit is nothing but a knowledge. So you get a knowledge. This increases your concentration power. Very effective in children who are going to school and cannot concentrate. They can do this while studying or sitting in the class while hearing the lectures. They can do this. Increases the concentration. When you are doing this Dhyana Mudra or Jnana Mudra during the meditation or pranayam, that can increase the benefits of pranayam. Your concentration remains constant at one place. This awakens the root chakra, so it increases the effectivity, creativity and energy in the body, and it is also maintain your anahat chakra, chest, because the vayu or air element is related to anahat chakra, so increases the kindness in your body. So this is very good for increasing the concentration, increasing the grasping power, and it can be done for minimum 5 minutes in a day. If you doesn't have any problem, or during the meditation or pranayam, it can be increased up to 45 minutes if there is any problem of concentration. It can be done in divided 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes evening, 10 minutes or 15 minutes at night. That can be done. It will help you a lot. Very simple technique with touching the fingers, and all fingers should be straight. Remaining fingers should be straight. Your palms should be facing to the sky when you are doing meditation or pranayam. Thank you. Thank you for joining. And if you like the video, like it, share with your friends. If you are not subscribed, subscribe the channel and then press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. Thank you. Thank you for attending.